Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Pump-Water Part #W11399437. The Whirlpool Pump-Water Part #W11399437 is a direct replacement for the original pump used in many Whirlpool washers. This pump is designed to circulate water through the washer during the wash and rinse cycles. It helps to ensure that all of the clothes are thoroughly cleaned and rinsed. The pump is made of durable plastic and features a strong motor that can handle up to 3,000 RPMs. It also has an integrated thermal overload protector that helps to prevent damage from overheating. The pump comes with a 1-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement water pump for Whirlpool dishwashers. It is used to circulate water throughout the dishwasher during the wash cycle. It can fix symptoms such as leaking, noisy operation, and not draining properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the pump at the circuit breaker. 2. Disconnect the power cord from the pump. 3. Remove any existing piping connected to the pump. 4. Place the new pump in position and secure it with mounting screws, not included. 5. Connect the new piping to the inlet and outlet of the pump, using appropriate fittings and sealant, not included. 6. Connect the power cord to the pump and turn on the power at the circuit breaker. 7. Test for proper operation by turning on a faucet or other water source connected to the pump system. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.